Yes, good morning everyone. In this video, we will discuss about the consolidating data function. Okay, the consolidating data function. You will see the consolidating data function under the data tab. Here in data tools, either you will see the name consolidating data or you will see the symbol. Okay, either you will see a name consolidate or you will see this type of symbol. Okay, so first let's discuss what is consolidate function or consolidating data. So in this we will get in by using this consolidate function we will get data from two or more than two seats. Okay, so either we can get the sum of two seat in the third seed, or we can get the average of two seat in the third seat, or more than two seat. Okay, we can add multiple seats. So by using this function we can get the result in one seat from many seat. So now we'll see how. So let's say this is one table, first quarter sales 2018. These are the name, the cars, and these are the units that sold in all over the India in the month of January, in the month of Feb, in the month of March. This is the data of 2018. Now in sheet 2 we have the data for 2019. Okay, this is different. You will see the date, this data is different and this data is different. Okay, fine. Now in sheet 3 we have designed that the consolidating first quarter. Okay, so these are the names, and now I want here the sum of this and the sum of this. So to get the sum of first quarter of 2018 and the first quarter of 2019, we can use the consolidate function. With the help of this we can consolidate our data. So let's see how. So first select the sheet where you want the data. Okay, suppose I want the consolidate data in this sheet. Click on data tab, go to consolidate. You will see a dialog box. So under this you can select any function what you want, the sum of these two seed, the average, the minimum, maximum. So many function we can do, but right now we want sum. Okay, so first click on reference tab. Click on the text box under the reference and then select sheet 1. Okay, so you can see automatically the sheet 1 is here, and see the reason that you want to add. So I want to add this much. Okay, so the range is selected automatically, then click on add. So it is added. Now again click here, delete this, click on sheet 2. Okay, so you can see sheet 2 is here, and select the data that you want to add in sheet 3. Click on add. So we have the data that we want from sheet 1 and from sheet 2 in the sheet 3. Okay, click OK. So see, you have the data now. If you want you can check. This is 450 Honda City for January. This is 900 Honda City for January, and that 450 plus 900 is 1350. So this is the consolidated result for first quarter of 2018 and first quarter of 2019. Okay, so with the help of this consolidate function we can get data from multiple sheets. Okay, once again we will see. Right now I'm deleting these. Okay, let's delete. So go to consolidate. Okay, click on the blank space, select sheet 1 and then select the range. Already it is added. Let me delete them first. Okay, fine. Click here, select sheet 1, select the range, add. Okay, again click here, select sheet 2, select the range and add. If you want to add data from 3 seat, 4 seat, 5 seat, so you can add all the seats, the range of all the seats here. okay, and then simply click OK. So you will get the desired result. Okay, so this is also a simple function. I hope it is clear and you will be able to do it. Thank you.